So I want to take it practically, Naufa. I am usually a healthy eater, okay?
Right.
But I have immense sugar cravings, and that's something which a lot of us deal with.
Right.
How would you cure it through hypnotherapy? Where does hypnotherapy step in that journey of self-improvement, I would say?
Right. So hypnotherapy is basically understanding your patterns and understanding the reasons behind them, which you might not know in your conscious mind, in your conscious memory. You might not have that. But everything is stored in your subconscious memory all the way from when you were born, or even before that, actually. From the time you were conceived till all your life, it's all there in your subconscious mind. So through hypnotherapy, mainly we access the subconscious mind and try to understand the patterns that lead to certain behaviors.
Okay.
So what makes people crave for, we have a lot of clients and people who want to get rid of their smoking or drinking, and people who have sleep patterns that don't go with their lifestyle, and they struggle with sleep. So those are some of the common things. There's always a reason, like an underlying reason beneath these problems that people face.
Right.
So it's got a lot to do with understanding the person and their past, and then you put them during a hypnotherapy session, you put them into hypnosis.
Okay.
And that is where you ask them questions.
Okay.
And that session goes on for about 45 minutes. So
Right.
you ask them questions, you get their answers, and then you modify and keep on asking further questions. And after that, basically what happens is we create a 15 or 20-minute audio.
Okay.
So that audio will be given to you in case of sugar, and it'll have all positive suggestions for your mind.
Okay.
Starting with the first 5 minutes of the audio actually going to be putting you into hypnosis. So every time you hear that audio that's recorded for you, you first go into hypnosis, which access your subconscious mind, which makes it easier for us to recommend positive suggestions to change your life. And then all the things, all your personal words, which we uncover in the hypnotherapy session,
Right.
are put in that audio. So your
Okay.
mind understands it. It's familiar with it. And then 21 days you have to hear that, followed by another session where we see your development.
Okay.
In most cases, for habits like eating or drinking, one session is enough actually.
Okay.
And very rarely do we do like 2 sessions. Only for habits which are like, much stronger or something that's been with you for really long, it takes maybe maximum of 3 sessions. And that's what makes hypnotherapy very different. Like, it's not like a life coaching or like a therapy which you go to constantly for
Again
months
and
and
again.
years. Yeah, hypnotherapy is very different like that. I think the maximum sessions I've had with a client is only 3 as well.